All right, hello everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Just a few more weeks of school and then summertime. I know you are all super excited. It's going to be great. So, today we are going to practice some more volleyball. Last time we practiced with our paper volleyball, we did some bumping activities, and today we're going to do underhand serving activities. So, what we need for today is our target, and hopefully you have something that you can make your ball into. So, a bowl, a cup. I'm using my trash bin. You can use a laundry basket, maybe a backpack, something that hopefully you can make something into. We need a book or a folder, and then you need a ball of some sort. And I'm going to actually create another paper volleyball. So if you have your three pieces of paper that you brought to class, we're going to make it really quick, just like we did last time. You're going to roll up your first piece of paper really tight like that. Put your next piece of paper over it, like so, to make an even bigger ball. And then your last piece goes over that. So now you have a pretty decent sized paper volleyball. So have a ball with you. You can create your paper volleyball. Now, what we are going to do first is we are going to practice our underhand hitting motion, and then we're going to play a game. So what I want you to do first is have your target set up, grab your book or your folder, whatever you brought with you, and you're going to take about 7 steps from your target. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're going to place that on the ground, just like that in front of your target lined up, okay? We're going to use this for our game, and this is also going to be where we are practicing from. So when we are doing an underhand serve in volleyball, there's a couple things we need to think about. If you serve with your right hand, the ball is going to be in your left hand. If you serve with your left hand, the ball is going to be in your right hand, okay? So whichever hand the ball is in, that's the foot you are going to be taking a step with. So you have your ball. It should be between your waist and your knee. So you should hold your ball about that low, and you're going to take a step and bring your arm back, and you can make a little fist like this. So when you hit it, it goes straight. You kind of want to hit it right here so that it goes straight, okay? So that is the proper motion. You take a step, you go back, you hit it, and it goes forward. Remember to keep that arm straight so that you know where the ball is going. So what we're going to do here for a minute is I'm going to play music, and we're just going to practice stepping and trying to hit our ball into our target. You don't have to count points. If you want to, you can. But right now it's just practice, and we're going to do that for 1 minute. Remember, you want to serve from behind your book, okay? So when you hear the music, we're going to start for 1 minute. On your marks, get set, go. All right, time is up. So that was just to practice our underhand serve volleyball motion. I know we've done this before, but I wanted to get some extra practice in. So this is how the game works, okay? For a minute and a half, we're going to see how many points we can score. Before we serve, we have our book or our folder in front of us, right? Before we serve, we have to hop forward and back on 1 foot. So you can choose either your right foot or your left foot. I'm going to choose my left foot. So I go forward, back, and then I serve at my target. If I hit my target, that is 1 point. So even if it bounces off the ground and hits it, that's 1 point. If it hits off the wall and hits it, that is 1 point. If you make it in your target, that is 3 points. Let's say you hit it, it hits off the wall, and you make it in. That's still 3 points. As long as it gets in your target, you get 3 points. Or if it just hits it, that's 1 point. If you miss it, that is 0 points. And you're just going to see how many points you can collect. So if you want, you can use the wall if it's a little bit easier, but you're trying to see how many points you can score. If there are any questions, go ahead and ask now. All right. So for a minute and a half, we are going to play and see how many points we can score. Everyone get ready with your ball. Have your book in front of you. On your marks, get set, go. Time is up, everyone. You may type your score in the chat. I got 12 on that one. It was a lot tougher initially because of that hopping on 1 foot and over that book. So that added a little bit of exercise to the game, and we got to practice our underhand serve, and eventually we will practice our overhand volleyball serve. So nice job, everyone. Way to get moving.